about to turn it on.
For something, but this looked like it was within. Once they go hands to the face, is probably where they're going.
Yeah, don't you think so?
Here's a 2nd and 15 handoff is to Vereen, able to stay upright and picks up a first down. There's Beckham again. What is going on? Have you seen a guy this thrown off his game before?
Thrown away. Yeah, you know, Tom Coughlin, he's not normally a coach that tolerates this either, so I would expect him to take action too.
And Norman.
Hey, don't be that kind of game? Huh? I know, come on now. Hey, don't be that kind of game? I knew that coming a mile away. I smell that like a rat. Smell it a mile away. Hey, you that fast guy? Oh, okay. I figured you were. I was just trying to make sure. Hey, what was that route? What was that route? Oh, you ain't gonna talk to me now? He mad. He just mad, that's all.
Meanwhile, on the touchdown run, look at this between Norman and Beckham. And obviously it's going to get a lot more attention because of him.
But here's the collision on the backside with Norman coming across and an easy call to make. But the play action is what got Norman off of Odell Beckham, and then it...
Who's 88? I gotta know. I just gotta know. Who's official 88? He sucked. Just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be straightforward. He was terrible, and I feel like he should be reprimanded. I feel like some of the plays that was going on out there was just, I mean, it was terrible to the point where we go down the field, Crowder scores. Blatant face mask. Blatant. We get a touchdown, no call. It just don't make any sense.
Out for 4 or 5 weeks, and those two jawing at each other. But he's made some big plays for this offense since his return. That was a nice catch.
Just a few plays ago, they were in each other's faces. And
Ryan in the pistol. Takes the snap. Play fake again. Matt on a deep drop. Going to cut it loose for Jones. What a catch! Falling out of bounds into the bench area at the 46 ahead of Marcus Peters.